Hi, boys and girls. I am back and I am ready to play a little lightning word review game with you. This week is a review lightning word week, which means we don't have any new lightning words. It is a practice week. We are on lesson 25, and that means we have learned 64 lightning words. Now, that is a lot of words. We've told your parents from the beginning of kindergarten it is okay if you cannot read all of these lightning words. But we are going to help you practice, and hopefully, moms and dads and the adults at home with you are practicing with you as well. So today we're going to play a little game with our sight words. We can do this two different ways, okay? I am going to show a word. I'm going to pause for a second and then I will read it to you. So if you think you are a good lightning word reader and you know a lot of your words, that's great. You can try to race me. You can try to say the word faster than I say it. Now, if you want to use this video to practice, that's wonderful too. I will show the word and then I will pause and then I will say it for you. And what I would like you to do at home is to repeat it after me. What I tell kindergartners all the time is it's great if we see the word, but it's also important to say it and hear it. When our voice is saying it and we are hearing that word while we are seeing it, it helps our brain remember it, okay? So I've got 64 words. We're going to take our time and we're going to go through all of these words together, okay? Are you ready? I'm going to put that one back in the middle. Here we go. First word. A. 2. I. Play. Me. The. Of. Come. And. See. Was. Good. Then. Said. Many. 8. You. Is. But. Say. Could. Some. When. Away. Her. Came. They. Now. This. From. Find. Your. Be. We. For. Like. That. No. Must. By. There. He. All. Will. Into. Over. She. Here. Go. Up. Soon. Them. Who. So. Are. What. Make. How. With. new, my, give, where, on. How did you do? Now, those are tricky. That's a lot of lightning words. So it's okay if you did not read all of those words, and it's okay if you only read a little bit of those words. Keep practicing. I got a video from one of my students whose mom hung these words up on the wall, and they were taking their Nerf gun and shooting at the words and reading them. Awesome. One of your extra activities this week that you can do is go in the driveway and write your lightning words, build them with Play-Doh, anything you can do to practice these words. Now, if you are interested in having these flashcards, you need to reach out to your teacher. This is not something that we've sent home before because it is a lot of pages. But if you are able to print at home and this is something you would want, email your teacher and we can send it to you as a PDF and you can print it at home and make your own flashcards. That is not required. Like I said, it's 4 per page, so it's quite a lot of printing. But if that is something you want to do to help practice at home, reach out to us and we can get that for you. All right, boys and girls, keep practicing your words. The more you practice, the better reader you will be. I'm proud of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.